Hey friends, you have probably heard the latter, that is red flag in the forensic accounting. If you are CA final student, then this video is for you. तो व्हाट इज रेड फ्लैग? बेसिकली रेड फ्लैग मतलब क्या होता है? रेड फ्लैग्स आर द इंडिकेटर्स. तो व्हाट इज रेड फ्लैग? बेसिकली दीज आर द ये इंडिकेटर्स है, वार्निंग्स है ऑफ एनी इम्पेंडिंग डेंजर्स, किसी इम्पेंडिंग डेंजर और इनएप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर की. रेड फ्लैग डज नॉट नेसेसरली इंडिकेट द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ फ्रॉड. जरूरी नहीं है कि रेड फ्लैग जो है आपको ये बताए कि देयर इज एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ फ्रॉड. हाउएवर आर द इंडिकेटर दैट caution need to be exercised, that you need to be cautious enough to exercise while investigating the situation. Red flags are classified in categories such as, red flags को classify किया जाता है categories में, जैसे कि such as financial performance red flags है, accounting system red flags है, operational red flags है, या फिर behavioral red flags है. तो what is red flag क्या होता है? That is nothing but the indication है, possibility है, there is a possibility हो सकती है fraud की. एंड तो कौन कौन से फाइनेंशियल हो सकता है, ऑपरेशनल, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ रेड फ्लैग्स आर देयर in our curriculum, that is it may be financial red flag, operational red flag, accounting and the behavioral red flag. So this is what all about the red flag and all. And further we also need to discuss that what is the definition of forensic accounting की definition क्या होती है. तो जो integration होता है, where there is a integration हो रहा है accounting का, auditing का, investigating skills का, that he is the specialty which is that will be known as forensic accounting. It is a study and interpretation of accounting evidence का. It is the application of accounting methods so that the tracking and collection of forensic evidence usually for investigation and prosecution of criminal acts such as embezzlement of fraud. So forensic accounting is nothing but the application of investigative and analytical skills for the purpose of resolving financial issue in a manner that meets the standard required by the court of law. So with this, we have covered that what is basically the forensic accounting and what is the red flag.